So guys, we just unboxed our Dyson V10 Cyclonic. This is a body of the V10. This is original min. This is middle. And this is max. And this is a soft brush for hard floors. Okay. This unit is not for carpets.
So it's what for?
For hard floors.
Okay, next one.
And this is a conical pipe. This is a conical pipe to go down.
Show us.
Like this.
Okay, next one element.
The next element, we get rid of this, get rid of this. Let's get this one. So this is a table cleaning mode and door cleaning.
And the ceiling, I think? Ceiling as well?
Yes, ceiling.
And the walls?
And tables. And this mode is for cleaning. Once you not the max.
What is this one? It's for the carpet. Bo nie wiem jak...
So this is for plugging on the wall.
Show us this element.
This element is for plugging on the wall.
This is plugging the wall, yes.
This is a wire that you connect to the
because this hoover is cordless, yes?
This hoover is cordless. It can rest on the couch or upright rest.
Lovely.
So that's all, guys. Please make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on my description. So bye-bye.